Hello everyone, in this video we learn about boss command. You can find command in search bar, type boss and search, and boss legacy. Select the command. First we need to select placement face. You can put value here, diameter, height and draft angle or taper. Apply. You need to positioning dimension. First horizontal. First we need to select reference point after horizontal. You can put a value here 8 mm and apply. And next one vertical 8 mm and OK. You can also edit the feature dialog. So this is the boss command. Thanks for watching.